Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Ofeakwu Banga stew. Please watch to the end. Thank you. Hello everyone, you are welcome. As you know, we are making Ofeakwu. This is my akwu. It's already washed. I'm just adding water to it so that the water can level up to the akwu. This will take about 45 minutes to 1 hour to be very soft, so that the skin of the akwu can wear out of the palm nut as you pound it. These are the ingredients, some of the ingredients you are using for this Ofeakwu. That's my scotch bonnet, Otaiko, that's fresh pepper, dried smoked fish. Make sure you wash the back with salt and hot water. This is my garlic and ginger. You shouldn't use this much, just a little. Ogiri Okpei, locust bean. It's a fermented locust bean. This is my stockfish, red onions, and nchuanwu. That nchuanwu is called scent leaf. Some people call it ashibo, ashibwe, and so on. It has a lot of names, but in English it's scent leaf. It's not mint leaf. The mint leaf is different. This is scent leaf, African scent leaf, not mint leaf. All these ingredients here is what I'm going to use for the Ofeakwu. I'm going to roast my locust bean. It's about 1 hour now. I'm going to check the akwu to know if it's soft enough for pounding. Yeah, it's soft. I'm going to pour it out and pound it. Remember, we are going to pound it until the skin, the flesh, wears out from the palm kernel. This will enable it bring out all the juice out while washing it. I'm going to boil our meat, as in kind of steam it and spice it. I'm using goat meat. Goat meat and Ofeakwu, they make correct sense. I'm using goat meat and pomo, cow head pomo, and that is it. I'm going to add everything I want it to taste like to it. I've added my scotch bonnet, onions, red onions. Red onions makes, as in, the taste comes out very well in Ofeakwu. You have to try it. I'm going to add salt. Ofeakwu meat doesn't require curry, thyme, all those stuff. You have to keep it simple so as not to lose the Ofeakwu, the taste of the meat or the taste of the Ofeakwu, because you are going to pour this meat later on into the Ofeakwu. So if you start adding thyme, all those stuff, it will ruin the taste of your Ofeakwu. You don't want your Ofeakwu to come out smelling like thyme or curry, you know, it doesn't make sense. That's the extracted banga juice. Now I'm going to boil it. I'm going to roast my Ogiri Okpei. If you want to get the 100% aroma of your Ogiri Okpei, you roast it. By roasting it, I don't mean you should burn it, but it will look as if it entered the fire. It will be a bit brownish at the alpha part. You know, it's already black, but roasting it to make it a bit gray, black or brown. You know, after roasting it, I'm going to add it to my scotch bonnet. I'm going to add ginger to my blender, garlic and the okpei. I'm going to blend them together. This is my the goat meat is now very cooked, so I'm not going to add it on time to the Ofeakwu, you know, as it's very properly cooked already. So that's it, with onions, ginger and garlic in it. Everything is settled. I'm going to add in some water. And I'm going to blend everything together. Our akwu has been boiling for like 20 minutes now. Whenever you see this oil like something on your akwu, it's ready to start adding ingredients. Don't add your ingredients in your akwu as soon as you finish boiling it. As soon as you finish squeezing out the juice, you have to allow it to boil for some time so that this red oil something will come up on the top. Now for the nchuanwu, I'm going to show you how to cut it. This is it. You don't have to start arranging it one leaf at a time. This nchuanwu, some people call it ashibo, ashibwe, and so on. It's not mint leaf. This is African scent leaf. Because if you take mint leaf and put in your Ofeakwu will be ruined. So that is it. This is how it's sliced, and I'm going to put onions in my Ofeakwu now. Almost there. Our Ofeakwu is almost ready. I'm going to pour in the nchuanwu, the scent leaf, the ashibo. I'll allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Then I'll take it down. Our Ofeakwu is ready.
Ofeakwu AKWU. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for always being there. I appreciate. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to help me, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. This will really help and boost my channel. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.